students and working accountants. Welcome to my Expert TallyPrime YouTube channel. My name is Barbara from Hyderabad. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the entries, that is intra-state as well as interstate sales entries in TallyPrime environment. So before the previous video, we discussed about the purchase entries, intra-state purchase as well as interstate purchase. But now we are going to deal with the sale entries, that sales interstate and intrastate and interstate. Okay, that is in the home state or other state. So before entering into the subject, one request to you, many people just watching the video and going without subscribing. So I request you, please, everyone viewing my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And next to the subscribe button, you see the bell icon. Click that and select all so that you will get notification on all the videos which I upload in my channel. And another most important thing is, every video, please watch till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip the video, you can know and understand up to that point. The next remaining part of the topic, you cannot understand, then it is of no use. Watching only half, just like half knowledge. You cannot get the full knowledge about that particular topic. See, in the colleges, we attend every class we attend for 45 minutes to 1 hour, at least 45 minutes. So continuously we are in for 2-3 classes, means it will be more than 2 hours. Our videos will be less than an hour, 40 minutes, 40 minutes, or maximum 1 hour, less than an hour. So why can't you spend 1 hour for learning this less than 1 hour? Because this is the life. If you learn this only, it will be useful for your career. So in the college, so it's okay, it's a qualification, but over and above the college studies, this course, like learning a extra course, this TallyPrime course is the lifeblood for your career, to get the job or to improve your skills already if you are working. So for that, you can't spend some less than an hour. So watch this till the end, then you will get the full knowledge. Otherwise, watching is a waste. Or at least if you skip in the middle, so watch the remaining part again later on. Okay. So but anyhow, complete the total video. And then if it is good, after watching the video is good, please like the video. If you like, YouTube people, they will recommend this video to many people, so that many people will know that, will understand and will learn the topic. Okay. Now we enter into the topic, into our subject, that is sale entries in TallyPrime for point 1. I will share the screen. See here, yesterday we completed intra-state purchase, interstate purchase, cash and sales. I will tell you. Now we are doing the credit sales and purchasing. Cash also is already at the time of purchase and sale entries with only GST, with only the inventory. We understood, we have discussed about that. Cash or credit entries, cash entries also, cash transaction, cash purchase and cash. The same thing here. So there is no difference, but the difference is only in the case there is no GST. In this case, there is GST. So for the entries, there is no difference between GST and without GST. Okay, again I will tell you one second. And now we are going to say the intra-state sales and intra-state interstate sales. So how to make the entries? Okay, now we'll take up. So we're discussing this. We are working with sanguine industries, sanguine enterprises. Okay, in this we made entries for purchases in the previous video. Now we have to make the sale entries. Okay, one thing I have tell you already discussed about the purchase entry. In the case of purchases, we can purchase. So the dealers are of 3 types mainly. 2 types actually: registered and unregistered. Registered includes 2. Registered includes regular and composition, both are registered. And unregistered includes unregistered business and consumer. So there are totally 4 types: regular, composition, unregistered, consumer. But in the case of purchases, we will not purchase from the consumer because consumer is a person. You will purchase and you use the goods. You will utilize the goods, consume the goods. You will not again sell the goods. That is why we will not purchase the seller. Consumer is not a seller, so we will not purchase from this. We will not purchase from the consumer. That is why other three only we can purchase. That is regular, composition, and unregistered dealer. From these three only we can purchase, but within the state, that is intra-state, local state, means we can purchase from all the three. You can purchase from regular, composition, as well as unregistered. But in the case of interstate, we can purchase from only regular dealer because composition dealer and what you can say unregistered dealer, unregistered business dealer, unregistered dealer and composition dealer. These people can sell within their own state only. That is why intra-state only they can sell. In the case of other states, they cannot sell to other states. So when you want to buy, you cannot buy from regular and unregistered people. In the case of intra-state, so intra-state you can purchase from all the three. Interstate, but that is intra-state, intra-state we can purchase, that is home state, we can purchase from all the three, but interstate we can purchase only from registered dealer. Okay. In the case of intrastate also, when you are purchasing from regular intrastate or interstate, regular dealers, so you will have tax, you will have GST, but in the case of intrastate also, purchasing from GST unregistered and composition dealer, there will be no tax because unregistered dealer, they are not registered, don't have registration. So GST is not applicable to him. He cannot collect, he need not pay, he will not collect any tax. So there will be no tax. And in the case of composition dealer also, he can sell within the same state. That is in the same state, in the intrastate they are purchasing, they are selling, they can sell. But anywhere, anytime, they cannot collect any tax from sales. After sale from when we are selling, we cannot collect the tax if we are a composition dealer. So when you are purchasing from a composition dealer, there will be no tax. He has to pay from his pocket at the rate of 1%, whatever the goods, whatever the rate of the goods he sold, not bothered. He cannot collect the tax. He has to pay 1% from his pocket only. That is why when you are purchasing from registered, unregistered, and composition dealers, there will be no tax. You can purchase goods only. In the case of intrastate, and from regular, we have to pay tax because he has to collect. Regular dealer has to collect from every person. No? And in the case of interstate, we can buy from registered dealer only. He will charge the tax. So we cannot buy from the other two. This is about the purchases. But this, in both the cases, the regular dealer is charging the tax, but he will charge the tax only in the case of taxable goods. In the case of non-taxable goods, there will be no tax. So nil rated and exempted, no person can collect. So even the regular dealer, he cannot collect. He can collect from the taxable goods. This is about purchase we discussed yesterday. And now we are entering the sales. In the case of sales, whether we sell the goods, we are a registered dealer, that's why we are collecting the tax. So when we are selling the goods, we can sell to the intrastate, that we can sell within the same state, that is intrastate sales, we can make. And we can sell in other states also, we can make interstate supplies, and means interstate sales also. So intrastate sales and interstate sales. In the case of sales, so registered dealers means regular and composition, unregistered means unregistered business, and the consumer also will be there because when you are selling, the consumer will purchase from us, he will sell to consumer, he will purchase and he will consume, but he cannot sell. So when you are selling, all the four types are there: regular, composition, unregistered, and consumer. So all the four types are there, whether within the state, that is intrastate sales, whether outside the state, that whether interstate stuff like interstate sales also. In all the cases, we can supply to all the four types of people, and also to whomever we sell, whether he is a regular person, regular dealer, composition dealer, unregistered dealer, and consumer, whatever it may be, all four types of people, if you sell, whether it's in the state or outside the state, in the state or intra-state, we have to collect the tax. For taxable goods only. Non-taxable goods means no tax. The purchases or sales, non-taxable goods means the name itself indicates no tax. So there will be no tax for non-taxable goods, that is ill-rated and exempted. In the case of sales, ill-rated, exempted, zero-rated, and non-GST goods also there. But as far as our discussion, we will limit to non-ill-rated and exempted. Okay. Zero-rated means it is related to exports. Non-GST goods is related to liquor for human consumption and petrol and diesel. So these ordinary business people, they cannot sell again separately. Along with these goods, they will not sell the petrol and diesel also. Okay. That's why in the top, non-taxable means ill-rated and exempted we will take up. So we will take out ill-rated and exempted. For that there is no tax. For taxable goods, there is tax from every person, that is, we can sell to anyone and we have to collect tax from everyone. That's what we have to take. So in this case, I created in the previous class for the sales purchases, I created the creditors. Now I created the data. See, these are all data. D means data, or the regular data in our state. IUD means interstate unregistered data, and here CD means composite data. Composite data means in our state. IRD means interstate regular data, and here ICD means interstate composite data, and UD means unregistered data in our state. IR, that's all. That's all. That's all. So these are the types. Four types are there for interstate and intrastate. See, data are four types: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more is there. Totally 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two also. 6, 7, 8. Because these are consumers. Interstate data is consumer. Interstate, whereas another state. Interstate data consumer. So previously unregistered, it is consumer. So 8 persons. So whenever you need to check up everything, when you are making the entry, we can know whether about the registration status, registration type. Okay. So now we will go to the entries. So we are going to sell the goods now. So on April we entered purchases. Now we enter the sales in the month of May. So for sales, we have to click F8 sales. Click with the mouse or in our keyboard F8. So sales we are taking, and we will take the purchase, whatever it may be, all the data we will take up. I told you already, every type, so whether interstate, intrastate, or intrastate, collect the tax, intrastate, GST, GST, intrastate, IGST. Whether any person, whether registered or unregistered, that is regular, composition, unregistered dealer, or consumer, for every person, we will collect the tax. That's why we will take up all the types of data. See here. Here we will take up, you can understand, we need not go here and we need not check up this page. So here itself we can understand. So when you enter this, accept, then you will get here. See, Telangana, our state, regular. So it means so no, something down here. So I'll check up this one. Ledger, Netas, interstate, unregistered. Okay, that is Angel. This one. So this is not taking the different. So in the case of sales, if you take this interstate something data, accept, that is showing something wrong. Telangana and regular is showing. Actually, it is not regular. Interstate unregistered. Okay, so we will take up Andhra Pradesh. Whatever we check up this. We check up this. We check up Andhra Pradesh. This unregistered. So interstate unregistered. Okay. So we will take up this Andhra Pradesh unregistered. We will take up. So here, okay, here we will take up Andhra Pradesh. No, it is taking now. Andhra Pradesh unregistered. Unregistered means there will be no number. Andhra Pradesh unregistered sales we are taking. We will take up the sales. Any item we can take when we are taken. So, for example, Acer laptop. Acer laptop, we will take up two items you are selling. We will sell that. What is the price? So go to RDS. RDS means we'll get it 25,000. RDS means start credit 25,000. We will sell it for 28,000, for example. One profit and everything expenses and profit. So 56,000. Okay. Now there may be more items with the same rate or more times with different rates. So here I will take down another item with the same rate. That is, laptop is also 18%, computer is 18%. Here also we will take two units. So our case, we have 33,000 rupees. So 36,000 rupees. 36,000 rupees. So we have two only. And now here, it is intrastate, isn't it? It is intrastate. It is intrastate. So unregistered, whatever it may be, don't bother about the registration. Right? Intrastate. So in the case of intrastate, I take IGST. Okay. So we take up. If you take by mistake CGST, it will not calculate, or SGST also it will not calculate. But take IGST, the IGST will take, it will calculate. Okay. So in this case, now you can check up the analysis. So how we will take up related reports? Again, we are click, RTA. Instead of the directly click RTA, this is the summary of the tax analysis. That is item, HSN code, taxable value, then tax value. That's only tax. So if we want to details, go to RF1. Then in this case, so here, this is intrastate. So intrastate sale, taxable, both are taxable. Intrastate sale, taxable. Here, Acer laptop, here you know, these are the details. Where you got the HSN code, how you got the GST details, GST rate. So Acer laptop, stock item, Acer laptop. From that we got the GST rate. Same stock item, Acer laptop, we got the HSN code that is given. That is the detail, how you got the detail. Then value 56,000. So HSN code number 56,000 and the tax is 56,000, 15,000 change. How you got it? IGST, so the number IGST, this one, IGST 28% for 20 non. It is also, Acer laptop also 18% only. Is showing something wrong here. It's sometimes showing like 56,000 into 18% if you take. It is 49, 56,000 into 18% means it will be 10,080, say 15,080. Here it is 72,000 plus into 18%. So it is 18%, 12,960 correctly. Okay, we will take another item here. We will take another item instead of that we will take another item which will be okay. HP computer, we will take Dell computer. So we will take up Dell computer. Numbers and we take the all yes, rate is 30,000. We will take 35%. 35,000. We will take this. We will take this, and IGST. We will take it. $38,000 we are taking. So it is completed. Now go to the Alt A. So this is the summary of the tax analysis. Then Alt F1 or F5, both are same. I am picking F5. Alt F5. See here, intrastate sales taxable, both are taxable. So Dell computer is the rate, and rate is 18%. This is IGST. So total 18%, 12,600. It is HP computer, it is 72,000. It is also 18%. It is 12,600, 12,960. Total 25,560. The total amount is only amount, one amount is. This is as per calculation, actual tax calculation. And in the invoice also, that is the voucher also, the amount is correct. That is why it is showing money. If it is wrong in the voucher, it will show as per this calculation, this much, as per your transaction is as per your voucher, this much. You show both. If you showing one means it is okay. So escape, so you get 25,560. That is the 25,560 is the total amount. Okay. So like this. So we have taken two items here. Next one, we'll take two different items. Okay. This one, sorry. This is over. Next we will go, this is unregistered dealer. And then this is Amit Trading Company. Regular dealer means regular dealer, regular data means in our state. You see here, regular data, regular. Then the data, Telangana, so that is the number. Definitely don't forget to use the number and select the correct state. Everything should be correct. Otherwise, the reports will show error. So, for example, I'm taking this only. Regular. So here, same state, regular, intrastate, regular. Okay. This intrastate regular, accept, see. Intrastate, regular. So here it is wrong. Is plus Telangana. RD means same state. So we are selling to the same state person. So Telangana. And then we are selling. So in the same state. Previously, interstate, now it is in the same state. You will take a Dell computer, 2 pieces, already we sold to another person that is taking up. Do not take, we have to go to, yes, all tests, calculate and see the rate. Here it is already sold. So same rate we are selling. Dell computer, this is 18%. And then we will take up Dell mouse we will take up. Dell mouse item is there. So if the item is not there, if you show the sale entry, it will show negative star. So we will take up HP keyboard. HP keyboard, 5 items you will take up and you see the rate. RDS is 350. We will show for 450. So 450 again. So in this case, this is regular means regular in our state, same state. And now, so it is the same state. So we have to calculate. For example, if you take IGST, you cannot calculate because within the same state, that is home state. That is where I take SGST, CGST. Okay, if you go to the analysis, so both are different rates. Computer is 18%, keyboard is 12%. So it is calculated on this, 18% on this calculated, and 12% on this is calculated, and total amount is shown. You can see the analysis. So since it is within the same state, so you get all A. This is the summary. In summary, item, JSON code, then taxable value, tax amount. Details will be shown all F1 or F5. Here. Here. So both are local sales. Previously, interstate sales, for local sales, taxable. So Dell computer, all the details and the value is 70,000. This is within the state. CGST, HGST is 18%, 9%, 9% it is taken. Okay. Next, HP keyboard. So all the details and the value, code and the amount is there. And CG, this is the state CGST and HGST. CGST, HGST, it is 12%. That's right. CGST 6%, HGST 6%. So and the total is the amount correct. So only one amount means the calculation as well as voucher that tax is correct. Escape is on. So the calculation is correct. If the calculation is not correct, for example, so here SGST we entered, and after entering that, just went off without taking the CGST. So we are went off. Okay. So if you did that, here it will show the wrong entry, or it will show the wrong entry. We accept it. It will show the wrong entry. The end of that, it will take it. So page up is where again we will come back. So here, so we are coming back. Now only one tax is imposed. Now we go to the analysis. Alt A, this is the tax, actual tax calculation. As per calculation, this is the tax. And so as per calculation, this is the amount, actual amount, and as per transaction, this is the amount. Means there's difference between it. And you go to Alt F1 also, here is it. This is the amount to be taken. This is the amount 12,870 is to be taken. As per this is 18%, 9 plus 9. This is 12%, 6 plus 6. It is taken. Okay. So in that, 12,870 is the correct calculation. As per voucher, this is the amount. So two amounts are shown. Like that it will show. So we'll go back. There is some error. Here we go. 6,435 is taken. But actually, CGS statements, you take that also. Okay. Now you go to the tax analysis. So this is the total. It is showing only one amount. Go to detailed view. This is here also. It is showing the details. And the total amount is the one. It means total amount is correct. So only one total amount means it is correct. So the tax is also correct. So if you enter something wrong, there in the analysis will show. That is why it's better to check the analysis also. Okay. Unless you see everything is correct, no, then you can proceed. Otherwise, checking the tax analysis is a best practice. Okay. So here, in the previous case, two items are the same rate. Next case, different rates. Now we will take up some other thing. So unregistered dealer and registered dealer we have taken. Then this is composition dealer. This is composition dealer. This is same state composition. Whatever it may be, composition state, our state composition. Our state means when you are saying this, here you see accept Telangana composition, same state. Because when you want to see composition dealer, whatever it may be, we collect the tax. We are not bothered about the status. We are bothered about the state because the same state means CG and GST. Other state means IGST. That's why say state is required. But we charge GST for everyone, every customer. Every customer who we sell, we charge the GST. So it is the same state. You take up and here HP computer, 3 items you will take up, already sold. And then here you will take up Dell mouse is not there. And Acer laptop also you will take up 2 items and see the rate. All case 26,500, 28,500 we sell. Okay, this is taken. See, for example, here, so both are taxable only. This is computer and laptop, both are 18%, and both are taxable. Suppose we will take up one exempted goods, exempted stock, milk, we say. For example, computer wala will not sell milk. Just we are taking as example. See here, 50 liters we are taking. 50 liters, each liter 120. Okay. But in this case, these two are taxable and the rate is same. And this is not taxable, that is exempt. Okay. So this person is in the same state. That's why what we will take? We will take CGST, HGST. So CGST, HGST. Now we see. So here this includes the tax for these two only. For this there is no tax. So go to RTA. RTA see. Local only. Local sales exempt. So milk amount is shown. Amount is shown. For the milk number is shown. Amount is shown. So there is no rate and there is no tax because it is exempt. And here second one is local sales taxable. Local sales taxable. So which will computer? This is the details and we will go to Alt F1. Alt F1. It is showing the error because Alt Acer laptop, it is also 18% only, but it is showing wrong amount. Okay, I'll check up later. So like this is local sales exempt, no tax. Local sales taxable, so details are given. It is 9 plus 9, 18%. This is also 18%, 9 plus 9 is tax. But it is taking only 28%. I don't know why. Okay, we'll check out. Because it is showing correct amount. It is showing correct amount. So 35,000 is showing this one. Because I'll check up. So here, keep it here. Don't close this. We can check up that. Go to this one. So alter master. You go and see alter master. See the stock item. Stock item out. What will be required? Alt laptop. This 18% only is given. So I don't know why it is taking. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 number. 4 number is that one. So it may be mistake because of code. Okay. This is also 1, 2, 5, 6. Laptop also 1, 2, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keyboard 1, 2, 3, 4. This is triple one, double one, double one, double two, double two, double three, double three, and here it is double two, double five, double eight. Acha, that is very taken. See, the code number is HSL code. For HSL code, the rate will be fixed. So this HSL code 22, 55, 88, they are given 28%. That is why it has taken. Now if you check up, and if you accept it and then you go back again. So now you check up this in analysis. Tax analysis you will take up, and here you see go to all cap one. So it is taking now also it is taking, and we will do one thing in this page, this one HP computer. Telangana composition of this HP computer, okay, and here laptop we will change computer, you change HP computer, and again you will take up Acer laptop, and all these things, and it will show taking 14% only because we have to make a new entry. Okay, so let it be okay, no problem, because we changed that what you call HSL code we gave wrong. That is 28% HSL code we gave. That is why. So the HSL code and the percentage is linked. So HSL code is given as a 28% HSL code. That's why it has taken 28%. Now it is changed. Now if you do that, you take up another example. So this is we completed, and this is composition. This is IRD means interstate registered, I mean regular, is interstate regular, and interstate regular data, and the interstate regular. Okay, now we will take this, and here also see interstate regular. Okay, interstate regular sales. In this case, we will give computer, HP computer, 5 items, that is 6,000, and then we will take up Acer laptop, 5 items. So here we take it. And now if you see, this is interstate. So IGST, IGST is calculating, and go to this one. So this is the amount, and this is the total amount, only one amount. Go to all cap one, see if it is taking correctly now. So it is. I think this is maybe to say something wrong there. Laser laptop. Again, something. Oh, users and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First May was. So we gave it from 1st May. Now we will take that because that we have not taken the effective rate. Suppose previously the rate was like that, that is 28%. The interest is the HSL code. Now we changed it. So from the old entries should not be affected. That's why it is asking. Like that. Now if you take this the state registered dealer, you take it again. The state registered dealer says you take Acer laptop, only will take up 2 items, 25,600. Interest rate with IGST. IGST is calculated. So here it is taking same amount, and here see. Still it is taking don't take that. What is the problem? Okay, no problem, it's not there. Something I'll check out, something problem is there. So the code is also changed, but I don't know why it is happening like that. Okay. So like this we have taken, and then interstate registered data, then here interstate, here our state, interstate composite data. We will take up, accept, if you accept, see composite data, Tamil Nadu. So interstate composite data. That means interstate means IGST. Okay. So we will take up Delmos, not there. Just Dellas the top. Dellas top 5 items. Take the rate, August, out F1. For August, 6,500. You take 39,000, for example. 39,000. And you will take some other thing, what to say, yeah. Sony TV 40 inches, Sony TV 40 inches, 5 pieces are there, 2 pieces we are selling. The rate, you take up the rate 45,000. You will get 51,000, for example, 51,000. Because this is interstate, IGST is to be calculated and you check out RTA. This is the Dell laptop and this one. Okay. GST is taken correctly now. So Dell laptop, now it is taken, not Dell, that is Acer laptop. Okay, you see, now it is interstate. Interstate sales taxable. So Dell laptop, given the details, this is the amount, this is IGST, so 18%. This is the tax, how it is calculated, this is the number, this is the taxable value, and this is the tax amount. How it is calculated, IGST 18%. This is calculated. Then Sony TV, the details are given, this is the amount and this is the tax. How the tax is calculated? This is the taxable value. IGST 28% for Sony TV. 28%. Total amount is 63,660. 20,060. Okay. And so far, we made the entries. And one more thing, this is interstate composition Dell. Unregistered Dell within the state, that is local unregistered. See here, accept local, Telangana unregistered. So accept here, Telangana unregistered. We will take up, for example, for this person, we are taking Dell computer, not lamp, Dell computer, 5 items, 35,000 we are taking. So same state means CGST, GST. I calculate RTA. This is the only one item and this is the tax. And after that, F1. So local sales taxable. So local sales taxable, Dell computer, this is the amount. Local state, CGST, GST. CGST 9%, GST 9% is calculated. Okay, it is calculated. If you do something wrong, for example, for CGST and GST, if you give something like that. Okay. And now this is over. Unregistered data, unregistered, and this is the consumers. These are the local consumer and interstate consumer. Interstate consumer. See, interstate is unrelated or unregistered or consumer means this is only personal name. Individual means consumer. If it is business name, it is business. So here you will take here. HP keyboard, 10 items, and then you take up some Sony TV, 2 numbers. Okay. And this is IDC means interstate. So what we do is we take IGST. Okay. And now RTA, 2 items. Keyboard is 12%. Sony TV is 28%. All F1. See. HP keyboard, interstate taxable, interstate taxable, HP keyboard. And here details is the amount and is the tax. Here IGST 12%. For keyboard it is 12%. And Sony transport, Sony TV 40 inches. And this is the amount and this is the tax. This is the tax here. How it is calculated? Tax value is this one. And IGST is 28%. Sorry. 28%, 28,500. Total 29,100. Okay, 29,000. This is that. Okay. And now one more thing. Now I will go to again. This customer means he is from our state. He is from Telangana only. I will take up here. And before that, what we did is the previous one example. So here, yeah. See here in this. So in this invoice, one taxable item, one exempted, non-taxable item. But actually, we should not enter that. I told you already. Taxable items, you have to enter one voucher, one invoice, and the non-taxable items, separate invoice. Both should not be mixed. Both should be separately billed. So separate bill, separate invoice is to be issued. Because of this, there will be problem in the GST reports that I will show you. But now we should not be mixed up. That's why we have to prepare separate invoice, separate voucher for the non-taxable items. Now we will take out, see here. Now we will take out the sales. Now we will take out here. This is the DC. So DC means data consumer. So data consumer. So data, that is data means in our state is a consumer. The RAMO means consumer. Okay. Here we will take up and here take see consumer Telangana and we will take up sales. We will take only the exempted items are coming. See here milk we will take up 100 liters 120 and we will take up rice exempted is also 50 kg. So this 1 kg rice will take up 100 means 120. You will tell rice also 100. Okay. Rice. So rice also is 100. Rice also 100 rupees. So you have taken. And then you take up the third one also. Salt 50 kg. Each one you take up purchase for 25 rupees. So 35 rupees. So in this case, all these three are non-taxable. So there will be no tax. So if you take these means in the same state, CGST not calculating, HGST not calculating, and IGST also not calculating. What does it mean? We don't have tax. So tax will not be calculated. How this tally will calculate means first it will take the item, stock item, taxable or non-taxable. If it is non-taxable, no tax. So it will not go further, it will not calculate any tax. If it is taxable, then it will see what is the rate. It will see what is the rate. And after that, how the rate is to be calculated, either interstate or intrastate, CGST, HGST or IGST. So then it will go to the person, that is the party account. It will see the state. So interstate or intrastate, depending on these things. So first item, taxable, non-taxable, then the rate of the tax rate, and then the location, that is the place of supply. It is called place of supply. Where the buyer is located, that is the place of supply. So it is intrastate or interstate to check out. Then it will do the tax. It will calculate the tax. To calculate the correct tax, it will calculate the tax. So in this case, this one, all these are, you go to taxable or non-taxable, non-taxable. Next one, taxable, non-taxable, taxable active. So all are not taxable. So it will not go to the person. No rate, no person. So directly it will not calculate any tax. So that's how it is calculated. So this is the thing we have to make the sales. So for sales, whether interstate or intrastate, whatever it may be, tax is to be collected. Interstate, it is IGST. Intrastate, it is CG and HGST for taxable goods. So sales or purchases for non-taxable goods, no tax. For taxable goods only, there is tax. So like this, we have to calculate this tax and we have to make the entries for the purchase and sale of goods. So I told this topic now, and in the next video, we will go to the returns. So here purchases we entered, sales we entered, then we'll go for the returns. Purchase returns means debit note and sales returns means credit note. That we will discuss in the next video. So all this and that, bye, and we will meet next video. All the best. Good night.